Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Center. So today we are going to be discussing how to qualify for one of the greatest blockchain airdrops, and this is for Aptos. And I'm going to explain to you what you need to do, and I'm going to show you, as in the other videos, the steps you need to take to qualify. And this is going to be a really fast and easy one, guys. At least what they provided us with is just a brief 5 minutes of work you need to do. So I'm gonna show you my browser in a moment, and we're gonna go together and do this in the browser, so you can do it and repeat it on your end. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, first things first, how do we know that they are going to be releasing an airdrop? They just teased about it a couple days ago, and also they created a learning page like the one that was created for Linea. So if you watch those videos, I'm going to place a link to that video over there for the Linea airdrop. They created one very similar to that, but on Linea it's going to take you 5 to 6 hours to complete those tasks, and they just created a new wave. But with Aptos, at least so far, it's just one wave or one group of tasks, and it takes you around 5 minutes to complete them. So I'm going to show you my browser. I want to show you, because this is a tweet they wrote, and this is why it's time sensitive. On December 14th, so today is the 17th, you have until, I don't know if today or tomorrow, to complete this. It says make your move, right guys? So, and in other tweets they kind of tease that they will be releasing the airdrop. So now that we kind of figure out this part, I'm gonna take you to another website, and this is Galxe. So Galxe is the place, just like Interact, where protocols or blockchains kind of teach users how to use the protocols or the blockchain, how to interact. So in the case of Aptos, they did a very simple thing, but it's crucial, guys. You need to do it quickly before they kind of freeze the period where you can apply for this airdrop, at least for this group of tasks. So I'm gonna place the link to this website on the description of the video. Guys, again, you need to connect your wallet, so don't go ahead and connect your wallet just to any website. You have to make sure you're connecting them to your wallet to the right website, otherwise your funds will be drained. I cannot say that enough. I've heard so many stories, so I don't want you guys to be that case. So we're coming down here, and this is the request. It consists of 3 things you need to do, at least so far. You need to click here, and it will connect your Twitter to this group of tasks. It's going to open a window, and then you click on authorize, and it will connect your Twitter. Then you need to retweet the tweet. Once you click on that and retweet that tweet, you need to click on these little cogwheels so it verifies that you have retweeted. That takes you guys nothing if you have a Twitter account. Otherwise, you will need to create one. And someone in the comments section mentioned that they had been blocked by Twitter. So if that's your case, guys, create a new account. It doesn't hurt. Apparently, a lot of these airdrops are going to be linked to Twitter. That's the new trend. So it takes no time to do this. So once you have done this, then we need to take the time to create an Aptos name. Now, to do this, you need to have an Aptos wallet and have some funds in it. So that's the first part you need to do, and I'm going to show you which is the wallet that I'm using. It's called Petra. So let's see if we can bring it to the video. Okay, here we are, guys. This is Petra, and it's like any other wallet. It's a browser extension. So you download it over here, add it to your browser, and then you have to write down your seed phrase before you start using it, so you don't lose it, guys. Because if you lose it, then you will lose access to the airdrop once it is assigned to you. So make sure you download this. And then the other thing we need to do is to transfer Aptos. Now, Aptos is available in a lot of exchanges. I'm going to show you which ones right now. So as you can see here on CoinMarketCap, it is available on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Kraken, and a lot more. I mean, it's 17 pages worth of this, even on PancakeSwap. Now, guys, if you buy it on a decentralized exchange, you will need to bridge it to Aptos' own blockchain. So I'd rather, if you're comfortable with buying it in a centralized exchange, I'd rather buy it on a centralized exchange. So then you can withdraw it directly to Aptos and it's less messy, less expensive. So, but in case you want DEXs, well, you have all this. Apparently PancakeSwap is big on Aptos. Then you have other smaller exchanges like OKX, Bybit, Gate.io, etc., etc. So now that you know where to buy it and if you have an account with them, how to transfer it, you need to remember you have to create your Aptos wallet. And once you have an address, you add that address to the centralized exchange, send the money to your Aptos wallet, and you are ready for the next step. So the next step is creating your own, let's say, domain name in the Aptos blockchain. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here is the website. It's called aptosnames.com. I'm also going to place this in the description of this video. And it's like if you have ever registered a domain name, like a regular one, it is the same thing. You can search for any name you want. So let's say breed, and I'm not saying, and I'm not advising you to do this, but let's just, like Britney Spears is not available. So whatever you want. I mean, and Aptos doesn't have that many. I don't know if they're reserving some names. So Britney Spears is available. So let's assume that you want to register this domain name. And it doesn't matter, guys. You can just register any garbage as long as you have one connected to your Aptos wallet. So it's going to cost you one apt. So one apt is around $8. I know it's hefty. Well, it's the regular price for a regular domain name. So once you register, you click here on register. It's going to open your wallet. So if you have to have your wallet installed already, and it's going to ask you to approve for the transaction. Now I have already done that, and you cannot see it here, but I already have a domain name. So I'm going to click on account, and as you can see, the domain name is startupcentral.apt, and it's linked to my wallet. So how do you link to your wallet? All you have to do is connect your wallet before you buy your domain name, and it's going to be automatic. Once you do that, guys, and it's just a 5-minute step, even less than that, then you come back here and you update it here, and then you're done, guys. It's that fast. The next thing we need to learn, and this might be information coming the next days, is whether we need to do some other steps. But this first step is going to be ending soon. As you can see here, over here is going to be ending soon. It doesn't say when, but it says ending soon. So I wouldn't just risk it, guys. If you have 5 to 10 minutes of your day, maybe I wouldn't advise to bring your computer to your bathroom, but I mean, I got a couple kids, and that's what I need to do sometimes. So I lock myself in the bathroom to do this task when I cannot concentrate because of different things, and I'm not advising this, and I think I'm gonna cut this part from the video, but I just said it, guys, and I'm sure you guys also bring your phones. So if you want to do this on your phone, that's okay, and take a moment, 5 to 10 minutes to do this, guys, because ending soon means. And you connect this ending soon to the other Twitter as act now. This might be over in a day or two. So I just wanted to bring you this information quickly. Once I learn more, if there are more tasks, of course, I'm going to create more videos explaining how to do this. How much can you expect to earn from this? Again, guys, if Jupiter and these other releases have assigned between $10,000 to $100,000, I would think at least the same amount of money. So now that we are in the bull trend, those tokens that are assigned could increase in price as the time moves before the Bitcoin halving, or perhaps a little bit after that. So those $10,000 could turn into $20,000. So I don't think it's bad to earn $5,000, $10,000 for 5 minutes of your work. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, click on the video, like on the video, and subscribe to this channel, because we keep generating and creating videos on explanations on how to get these airdrops, how to find crypto gems, and of course how to make money during both the bull and the downtrend. So see you in the next video. Bye bye now.